In this video, we will be going over how to reserve one of the park shelter facilities. This does not include the Amelita Mirolo barn. You'll have to call in to reserve that facility. So on our city website, upperarlingtonohio.gov, if you hit the departments and services and hit activity registration, this will take you to our online software. In the top right hand corner, if you log in using your credentials, and then when it's taking you back into this page, if you scroll down and find this rent facility button, here you can look and see if any of those facilities are available. And we are going to just scooch all the way out into the future. And we're going to look for Thompson North and hit search. And so then you see it's green on that day. It says available one or more facilities. So if I select that using the search criteria that I came up for, which is Thompson North, it will show Thompson North and all the available times. Now, if I wanted it from 8 to 1 p.m., I would select all of the time slots that go through. So I'd highlight all of them so they all turn green like that. And then if you'll notice in the bottom of the screen, this pop-up has now appeared and it says 8 to 1, and I will hit add cart. Here you leave the quantity 1 and the head count, I'll put as 10. And then I select the primary member on the household that I'm trying to sign up, trying to put this under, and hit continue. And then here it will ask for what the event type is. So if it's a corporate function or a party or a fundraiser, we're just going to select party and put Bob's Party as what it's for. And then you will go down and click I agree to the waiver and hit continue. And then it will have been added to your cart, and it will automatically calculate the fee based on the number of time slots you selected. And so then from here, we'll hit the green proceed to checkout button. And here you will go ahead and select your card type and fill in your credit card details and hit continue. And then you would have reserved a facility at one of our parks.